Hi, it's Kathy from Crafty Chica, and I'm going to show you how to make postcard notepads. These are a great seller if you do pop-ups or even to give as gifts or just to have for yourself. So I'm using the Cinch for this project. I love this machine. And then I'm using 4x6 pieces of cardboard, blank index cards, and 4x6 postcards. And I'm using 50 sheets of the blank index cards. They're a really nice weight and they're great for drawing or even watercolor markers. They just really come in handy. And I'm going to stack all of these together to get them nice and even, and then it's time to punch the holes. So look at your postcard and decide if you want to have it flip from the top or from the side. So I usually go by the design of the postcard. This one, it can really go either way. I like to mix it up just to make them different. And with the Cinch machine, you're going to pull out the peg that aligns with the number of holes that you want to have in your book. So this one, I think I have it at 10, but don't quote me on that. And you just take a little bit at a time and insert it all the way to the left to the guideline there and do a few at a time. Don't try to do too many because it will clog the machine and you'll have to take it out. It'll be a hot mess. So do a little bit at a time and make sure they're all lined up evenly. I love that little guardrail on the left. You cannot go wrong if you keep your paper aligned with that when you make your holes. And once you're done punching the holes in all of the index cards and the cover and the cardboard, it's time to put it together. So with this Cinch machine, simply turn it around and you're going to count the number of holes that are on your notepad. And after that, you're going to go through and take the binding wire, count the same amount of holes, clip it off, and just attach it to the side to the little notches. Add the blank index cards, you're going to add the cover, and you're going to add the cardboard last because that's going to be flipped over so you won't see the seam of the binding wire. Then you turn your Cinch around to the back and you align flush those the edges of the binding wire to the edge of the Cinch machine, and you press down and look at that, it closes it up. It looks so nice and professional, and you just flip that back flap and there is your notebook. So I add my little Crafty Chica sticker on the back of all of my notebooks, and these just came out so cute. People absolutely love them. I sell a lot of these. I retail them for $10, and you could use your own artwork printed on heavy photo paper or cardstock. You could even cut up watercolor original art that you made and make those the covers. There's just so many options. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas.